Hi, my name is Jacob, rest number ur15cs130. I am doing my first experiment in Unix lab. The experiment is about some basic command lines used in Linux. So we'll go into the putty here. First, the first question is about list the contents of user's home directory including the hidden files. So to include the home directories with the hidden files, the command is ls space -a, which displays all the files including the hidden files. You just put ls, it just displays the files, not the hidden files. So to display the files with including the hidden files, we use ls space -a. The next is list the content of var directory. So to list the content of var directory, we use ls space var, which displays all the contents from var directory, from the directory called. To display the specified the contents of the specified directory, we use this command. The next is create two directories named dir and dir2. So to create directory, we use the command called make directory, directory1, command directory. Sorry. Oh, okay. The thing is that I have already created the directory dir1 and dir2. For example, let me change the name of the directory. We'll go with 3 and 4, and the directory is now created. The next thing is create a hidden directory with your name. So to create a hidden directory, just and the hidden directory is created. The next thing is change the directory dir1. So to change the directory, just use dir1, which change the directory to dir1. You can see in this thing that we are in the dir1 directory. The next thing is copy the files something from current directory to the sample.txt. To copy the file, just use the command cp space hyphen the specified directory position, for example, which is actually not in the system, but this is the command used to copy the files. The next thing is change to your home directory. Use password command to check the home directory. So to change to the home directory, use. Now you can see before I was in that directory called dir1, but now I have changed the directory to the home directory. The next thing is just creating a text file and entering the command, which I have done already. I'll just show you the contents. text1.text. So you can see here the content is already entered. Now I can give, like, for example, novel, and just give tab space and 007 and give a tab space and use something like networking, and this is how you enter the data into the text file. For exiting from the text file, just use shift colon, press the escape button, shift colon WQ. This is how you exit from the text files. Next question is display the contents of the file text1. Just I did the same thing without any blank lines. So to display the content in the command prompt itself, we use the command called cat text1.text. So this displays the content of the text file in the command prompt. The next thing is move the file sample.txt from directory 1 to directory 2. So to move the file, we use the command called mv sample.txt to directory 2. So since there is no such file called sample.txt, we are not able to move. So for example, just create this thing called sample.txt and enter some content and exit it, and now the sample.txt gets moved. Then change the directory into directory.directory2. So to change the directory, you know that, sorry, you can just use cd space the directory name which enters into the directory. So now display all the contents. I'm sorry, let me show you. Like now I have created a sample.txt with some content in it. Now let me move it to the directory 3, and now since I am in directory 3, just give display and the content is seen in the directory 3. This to display, to show that the move command is successfully executed in the command prompt. Name the file sample text to new text. Rename the file. So to rename the file, just rename it with the file name. The next question is display the calendar of December 2020. So to display some calendar contents, we use the command called cal the 12 space 2020. So you can see the specified month of year 2020 is displayed in the thing. The next thing is to remove the directory, we use the command called rmdir space the directory name. Fail because there is no such file. For the same thing, let me have a directory for 3, or else no such files. Okay, but this is the directory which is command which is used to remove the directory. Then display the last 3 lines of file text1.txt. So first let me see what is the content in that text. 1.txt. We have no files, so let me type some file. So I have some content in the file. Let me run the command -3 text 1.txt, which displays the last 3 lines of the text file. So the tail command is used to display the last 3 contents of last 3 lines of some content in the text. Then other questions are like display all the commands are executed and save the list and some things which I have already explained. So that's it about the first experiment. Thank you.